What's up? What is the wind doing?
It's not enough. I only got my 9 meter because I think the 40 meter is a bit too much. So I hope it's gonna pick up a bit more.
So you recognized we finally have strong wind. Linus will go out on his 9 meter, I go out on my 12. So I have some power again after so many days with light wind. Tomorrow looks absolutely banging, and the days after this also. So we have some good days ahead. We take you along. Let's go! It's so cold. We have 10 degrees, but early in the morning the water is so cold. But later it will get warmer, hopefully. But yeah, we have to work with this now. Okay guys, we're back. Yesterday was good. You liked it a lot?
Yes.
Okay, today we have really strong wind. We have a storm here in Cuxhaven. We all only have our 9 here. I forgot my 8 at home. This boy is not even having an 8 meter and he don't wants to go on a 7 meter. So we take the 9, 40 knots or something like this. Let's see how this goes and let's go.
Ja, wir sehen mich heute Abend.
Ah, so cold. Fuck. It's freezing. It's freezing. Oh. Hey, no? Oh. Super light because the cloud is taking the whole wind, and now the whole wind will come at one point, so it's super gusty. It's not too fun actually, it's so cold, my fingers are freezing, but maybe when the strong wind is coming again we have some fun. Let's hope for this. But when the water is like this deep and the wind is so gusty, I just stopped trying to land new tricks and stuff. I just try to learn rotations better and cleaner. So when I want to learn a new trick with the board off and kite loop again, that I already can do the rotation and all the stuff perfectly. So this is what I'm doing now, and I think in 15 minutes we go off the water. So let's do this and see you later. thing, yeah. Bro, the clock is ticking, the time is over.
Telling to go the fuck out. My balls are freezing, man!
So guys, that's it with this vlog. We had some good sessions. We are completely destroyed, you can see it. And then like this video if you liked the video, subscribe to this channel, and then see you in the next one. Goodbye.